All right, so if you ever have your SL500 battery unplugged, you'd probably have the problem where your windows are up. I think I left this one down, or it went down by itself, but you have the problem where the windows don't auto go down. This window's up all the way. I don't even want to try and pull the door because it's going to be stuck under the seam of the roof. All right, so battery's plugged in. Half the time usually when you plug the battery in and the window's up all the way and you open the door, sometimes it just goes down halfway just to like save you. Yeah, see? That's when you know that the window module or whatever isn't set up correctly. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the car. If it starts. All right, so the car started. I'm gonna close the door. I'm gonna put this window down to about the same height as the other one. That doesn't really matter. What matters is you hold down the down button for like a couple seconds. So hold them down. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. And then you wanna go back up on both of them. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi. All right, so now they're up. So then we're gonna test it. I don't know if you saw that, but it went down and it goes back up. That's it.